Hi students, now we are going to continue the relation topic. Next one, already we have discussed null relation. What is null relation? A relation which contains no element is called a null relation. So we have discussed previous class. Now we are going to give one more example for the null relation. Consider that set A is equal to -3, -2, -1 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to define a relation from A to B such that A minus B is equal to 8. Now consider the value of A. If you take any value as A and any value from B as B, you cannot get the value 8 since all the values are negative values. For example, take A is equal to -3, B is equal to 1. Apply in the equation A minus B is equal to, what is A? -3 minus B is equal to 1. -3 minus 1 minus 4. But our equation is 8 is not equal to 8. Take any value. Since all the A values are negative, all the B values are positive, when you apply here, it also will become negative. Negative plus negative is equal to negative will come, but it will not be 8. So A minus B is equal to 8. We will have no ordered pair, therefore the relation will have no elements, therefore R is equal to 5. Therefore R has no element, therefore R is equal to 5. So R is a null relation. It is an example for a null relation. Maybe a 2 mark question may be asked, define null relation, and like that they will ask. If they ask, now you have to write a Cartesian product which has no element is called a null relation, and you have to give like this one example. Next exercise 1.2, solve question number 1 as your homework, and question number 2 will be discussed later. Question number 3, a nice question. See the question. A relation capital R is given by the set of x comma y is equal to x plus 3, where x belongs to the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only we have given x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't know the value of y. You have to find y, then we have to write in order pair. This is called the relation. Our question is to determine its domain and range. So what is domain, what is range? Domain is the value of x, range is the value of y such that y is equal to x plus 3. Now write solution given. What is x? X belongs to the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is our condition? Condition is y is equal to x plus 3. So y is equal to x plus 3. First take first value 0. When x is equal to 0, x plus 3, so 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. This is the value of y. When x equal to 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. When x equal to 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. When x equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. When x equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. X equal to 5, you will get 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Therefore, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, our relation is x comma y. So answer 0 comma 3. Like that 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8. Therefore, the relation R is equal to 0 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7 and 5 comma 8. But our question is to find the domain and range. What is domain? Domain is the set of all first coordinates and range is the set of all second coordinates. Therefore, domain of the function capital R is equal to, therefore domain of R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since the values are, x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the first coordinates and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the second coordinates. Therefore, domain is equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and range equal to set of all 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next question number 4. Question number 4, it will be a 2 mark question. There are 2 subdivisions we are going to discuss. The question is, represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, a graph and set in roster form whenever possible. we are given two functions, subdivision number 1 and subdivision number 2. We are going to represent the function in terms of arrow diagram, a graph, and set in roster form. The question is given in set builder form. What is the relation? Set of all ordered by x comma y such that x is equal to 2y. This is a condition. X is equal to 2y is the condition. But x belongs to the set 2, 3, 4, 5 and y belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to take one value from x because the first value is equal to x, and apply in the equation, you will get y. If you get y, and the y should be from this set. If you don't get from this set, now you have to leave this. For example, x belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5, y belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take x equal to 2, 2 is equal to 2 into some value. So it's better take y value first. Take y is equal to 1. Write the equation 1 into 2 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. And take y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 4. Take y is equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. Therefore x is equal to 6. Take y is equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. X is equal to 8. But x values lies between in the set 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have x value 6 and 8. But in this set there is no 6 and 8, so we should not take these two values. Therefore 2 belongs to set, 4 belongs to set, but 6 and 8 does not belongs to the set. So it will have only two relations when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. So question number 1, arrow diagram. You have to first draw the first set. What is the first set? X belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore write the elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, y belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Write all the elements x, this one y. So x value 2, 3, 4, 5, y value 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the corresponding value of x is equal to 2 for y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So 2 goes to 1. Like that, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, 4 goes to 2. So other two values we will have no relation. Only 2 and 4 have the relation as 1 and 2. So it is a arrow diagram. So arrow diagram means we have to draw an arrow from x to y, because the ordered pair contains the elements x comma y. First set should be x, second set will be y. Second question, a graph. We have studied in 9th standard how to draw the graph, x axis, y axis, like that. So draw a vertical line, draw the xy plane. The horizontal line is x axis and the vertical line is y axis. Give some values, because the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 1, 2, 3, etc. In x axis you can take up to 5, the y axis you can take up to 4. Now what is the first point? When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, so 2, 1 is the first point. X 2, y 1, this point is 2, 1. Like that, 4, 2, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, this point is 4, 2. So it is a graph. The point set of the 2 point, only 2, 1 and 4, 2. This 2 point is the relation. Now third question, a set in roster form. What is roster form? Roster form means set of all x, y. You have to take x is equal to 2, y value 1. When x equal to 4, y is equal to 2. You can take from the arrow diagram. What is arrow diagram? The value 2, corresponding y value 1, so 2, 1, 4, 2. So in roster form, what are the elements which have the relations we have to write? So set in roster form is 2, 1 and 4, 2. So hence we have finished the first subdivision. Subdivision 2. Subdivision 2, the question is the relation set of x, y such that y is equal to x plus 3, where x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Where x and y are natural numbers less than 10. So first one, given x and y are natural numbers less than 10. Therefore, what are the natural numbers less than 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9, the values will become. Our condition is y is equal to x plus 3. So take x is equal to 1. That means set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8, 9. We have to take the value. Take one value. First value 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to x plus 3. X equal to 1 means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That you have to add 3. When x equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. When x equal to 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. When x equal to 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. When x equal to 4, 4 plus 3 7. X equal to 6, 6 plus 3 9. Therefore 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9 are the ordered pairs. Our question is to represent the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram, first set x and y values are natural numbers less than 10. So write all the 9 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is the corresponding element of 1? 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 6, 4 goes to 7, 5 goes to 8 and 6 goes to 9 because 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, that means 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 6, 4 goes to 7, 5 goes to 8 and 6 goes to 9. So like that you have to join. 1 na 1 plus 4, 3 is equal to 4 na 1 4 join பண்ணனும் 2 5 join பண்ணனும். இப்படி join பண்ணி arrow போட்டுக்கணும். இது arrow diagram. The first set is x, the second set is y. The relation is r. But இங்க functionல r னு கொடுக்கல, relationல r னு mention பண்ணல. சிலர் mention பண்ணிருந்தானா you got right. R. Next graph. Graph na x axis, y axis we got to draw. This is the x axis and this one y axis. Write the value 1 2 3 up to 9. Here also 1 2 3 up to 9. So first point 1 comma 4, x1 y4. This point is 1 comma 4, x2 y5 2 comma 5, x3 y6 3 comma 6. Like that you have to point 1 comma 4 2 comma 5 3 comma 6 4 comma 7 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. These are the points. These points is the graph. You should not join. This is the relation in graph. Next, third form, set in roster form. Roster form means you have to write all the elements as an ordered pair. So 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. 6 comma 9 is the answer for the second subdivisions. Now question number 2. The question number 2, there is a problem. The old book there is a printing mistake. The new book they have changed a word. They have inserted the word a number in this question. So there is a mistake. You have to understand very carefully. The question is, let capital A is equal to 1 2 3 4 etc. up to 45 and R be a relation defined as E square of a number. E square of a number on A. On A means we have to take all the values only in A. The value should take from A and the value should be in A. X and Y should be from A, that is on A. Both A and B are equal. Normally we will write from A to B, here from A to A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Here A cross A means Cartesian product of A to A. We have to write R as a relation or R as a subset of A cross A. That's the meaning. Also find the domain and the range of R. Domain means a set of all first coordinates. Range means set of all second coordinates in R. So we can find easily once you write the R in roster form. So first we have to find the values. That's very important. What is our relation? Relation RB is a square of a number. The last class, last question, we have written y is equal to x plus 3. Is a, if you take this is y is x plus 3. Like that, in this question, y is square of, take a number as x. Y is square of x. Square of x means x square. So you have to assume first one, let the number, a number know that number be x, then square will be y because y is a square of x. Therefore y is equal to x square is the relation. You have to understand this. If you take, you should not take first value x because a number, first you should know what is a number, then only you can find the square. Therefore a number is x, then the square is y. Therefore y is equal to x square. Take x equal to 1, y is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, 2 square, 4. X equal to 3, 3 square, 9. X equal to 4, 4 square, 16. X equal to 5, 5 square is equal to 25, and x equal to 6, 36, x equal to 7, y is equal to 49. But our set A is 1, 2, 3 up to 45. Therefore, we should not take the value y is equal to 49. That we can stop. If we take x equal to 8, then it will become 64. The values are beyond 45, so we shall stop up to this. We have to find from x equal to 1 to x equal to 6. Next, we have to write the relation R. What is R? 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, like that, 7, 49. But if 49 is greater than 45, so we have to stop 6, 36. Therefore 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 9, 14, 4, 16, like that, 6, 36. But our question is to find the domain and range. Our question is to find the domain and range. So what is domain? Domain is the set of first coordinates. What are the first coordinates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore domain of the relation R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range is the set of second coordinates. What are second coordinates? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Therefore range of R is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. You have to write within the set bracket. That's very important, because domain is a set of first coordinates, range is a set of second coordinates. So we have found the answer. So one more time I am explaining. First A is given, A is equal to 1 to up to 45. The relation is defined as E is square of a number. First you should know what is a number. What is a number? If you take number as x, then E means y is the square of x. That is a relation given. In terms of words, you have to understand. Then our question is to write the R as a subset of A cross A, and then find the domain and the range. Next, we have to construct this formula y is equal to x square, because we have taken the number as x, then its square will be y. Therefore y is what? The square of x. Therefore y is equal to x square is a relation. Next we have to apply the value x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x equal to 2, like that you will find. But when you take x equal to 7, y is equal to and take x equal to 7, y is equal to 49, but our A is lies between 1 and 45, so 49 is not in the set, therefore we got to stop. Therefore R is a relation 1, 1 is clearly subset of A cross A. Why A cross A? Because this first elements are from A, second elements are also from A, therefore it is subset of A cross A. You need not write A cross A, because 1 to 45 A, 1 to 45 A means 45 into 45 is equal to some 25 elements will be there. 2025 elements will be in the Cartesian product. So you need not write all the Cartesian product. You have to mention it is subset of A cross A. Why? First coordinates are belongs to A, second coordinates also belongs to A, so it should be a subset of A cross A. Next, domain is the set of all first coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and range of R is set of all second coordinates 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. So we have solved this question. And some more questions are there. Question number 1, question number 5, like that. Try the question as your homework. 1, 2 more question may be asked from this exercise. 1, 2 more questions may be asked from this exercise. It's very, very important for your understanding. The next year 11th standard also there will be a relation portion. If you understand this clearly, that will be useful for the next year. The next concept we will discuss is function. It's very, very important concept. So thorough exercise 1.1 and exercise 1.2, and if you have any doubt, ask me and I will help you to solve the problem. Thank you.